Well, this is some form of old school something. I'm not sure. But a lot of the parts are there. It's got some cool wheels on it. But who knows, huh? And then we got a Maverick. A really cool old Chrysler. Old lowrider looking thing. That's a bomber for sure. The old Ford truck. There's another parts car. Ah, wagon wheels. Boy, look at these old rear ends. Look at those. Interesting. Never know what you're going to find, huh? That's cool. Boy, oh boy, this one's been here a long time. What is this thing? I'm not even sure what this thing is. A Buick, maybe? That's weird. There's another one up over there. We're gonna make our way to see what we can find what's left of it. Man, that windmill sure is annoying. Wow, y'all. Wow. This is an old site. We've got some cars underneath all this debris from when the building fell. Bunch of old V8s. And you got this bad boy. Boy, that's a shame. Look at that thing. We're actually cutting in over there to get through to those there. And over there to that. Back into those. So we're trying to, there's a Scout too. Another Dodge van. Finding all kinds of stuff. We might find the kitchen sink. There's the stove. We'll get back to it. But those are nice. Still, those are great cabs. Or canisters or whatever they call them. Beautiful grill. Barrel. Yeah, there's stuff everywhere around here, man. They just walked away for the most part. Time warp. I don't know what kind of body that is. What this thing goes to, but it's old, I'll tell you. It's old. There's another one right here. Huh, it's a Mazda. Hilarious. But yeah, just checking all this stuff out. Back that way. I believe this was like a bullet nose at one time. And it's still got a lot of the stuff there. I wonder if the front end's laying around here somewhere. The hood. I mean, there's probably not much left of it, but man, that thing has been here forever. That was crazy old. Talk about yard ornament. And Mercury still has a V8 in it. We're cutting our way in back here, trying to find a 64 Impala, a couple of wagons. I believe they're Bel Airs, or not Bel Airs, but Belvedere's, Plymouths. And then this is a 65 or 6 Mustang. It's right there we're going to uncover. So we'll be back over here once it's cleared out.